This is going to be the second video following the throttle hull replacement, or the brake hull replacement. This is an actual fix. So before we start this video, if you haven't seen that video, I would watch that first so you have an idea on how to disassemble the handlebar and get this off. So like I said, if you haven't watched that, go back and then come back here. Anyway. So when you do get this off, you'll notice that there are little slits on the inside of here. So you want to get something like this, or even like something just thin and pointy just to get in there, and you just want to pull that off. Set that aside somewhere safe, and then for these ridges, all you need to do is push in and down, and this will come off. And then you have a spring in there too, and you'll see these two magnets inside. These will probably be on the spring. That's probably why you're getting the error in the first place. Or they'll be stuck together. The magnets, there's probably not going to be in these spots. So you want to take those magnets off. And what you want to do is, there's two ways to do this. You'd either get the two magnets, make sure they don't attract. You want to flip them the other way so they're actually repelling each other. And when it's like that, then you want to make sure that the repelling sides go into the housing. Or another way to do it is just grab one of the magnets, take the sensor, plug it into the dashboard, turn your ES2 on, and just kind of have the magnet to the side and see if it stops the error. If it doesn't do it on this side, then try that side. If it still doesn't do it, then you want to flip the magnet and do the same thing over until your error goes away. I find it just easier just to do the two magnet test and just flip them, make sure they're repelling each other, and then just put them in. So once you do get them in, what you're going to want to do is get some crazy glue or super glue, whatever, put it on the side, and get some down on the base as well, but not too much, maybe like a drop and a half will suffice. And then same thing for the other one, just to keep them still so they won't get knocked loose again. You might want to wait 5-10 minutes for it to dry, depending on the kind of glue that you get. The glue that we have dries a little bit faster, so I don't really have to wait too long. Once you get the magnets into place, you want to take your spring, and there's actually going to be a little hole right up here. And so you just want to put that end of the spring into that hole. And then same thing with the sensor, I gotta find it. There's a hole right here as well. And you want to do the same thing. You just want to match that up and get that part of the spring in. Once you do, you'll see this hole, you just kind of want to rotate it up above the other hole, and you'll feel it want to lock into place. So then you just push down, and then you'll know you have it right when you have both holes aligned. And so once you're done with that, you grab the backing, and you'll notice one of these tabs is actually bigger than the other two. So you just want to match it with the bigger hole and just snap that in. And that's how you do the error 14, error 15 fix. Again, if you need to reference the video to disassemble the handlebar and reassemble the handlebar, go to our previous video. It's on our channel. Yeah, that's basically it. Right on.